podcast audio, Soundcloud. Now, there's a number of different ways to add audio to your WordPress site. You can add players that are specific to WordPress. We're going to go ahead and use SoundCloud. It functions very similarly to YouTube in terms of files. So soundcloud.com is the site, and you want to set up an account. After you've set up an account, you can upload any file that you want, a sound file. So in this case, we're going to go upload. We'll choose a file. And then we can go ahead and select a file from our computer. I've already uploaded the song, and so this is it. If we go into we can go into the basic settings, and one of the nice things about SoundCloud is that there's many users that just use SoundCloud. So there's different ways that a user can find your podcast, either through your own podcast or through SoundCloud. And I've included a description, I've included some tags or keywords. And then here's a link to this specific file that I could share. Of particular note is the user and the user number. We're going to have to remember that. You want to write that down. So we're going to add a new plugin that's exclusive to SoundCloud. And it is the SoundCloud is Gold plugin. There it is. We'll install it, activate it. And a tab will appear on the left menu, right there. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. You can change the size of the player so that you have that option right here. So you can change the width, the player type. What we need to do first is, again, go back to that user and then that number. And we're going to have to enter that right here. So we're going to add a username, so it's user dash and that number. And we're going to go ahead and say add username. You will get an error message if it isn't working or if it doesn't work, but we have successfully added the username. That means that you can go ahead and embed any file that's under that username. So we're going to copy that shared link. So that link right there we're going to copy. And very similar to YouTube, all you need to do is just paste it directly into your WordPress site, and it's as simple as that. So we're going to go to the post that we want to include this in. Again, the way that we're doing podcasts is post by post. We're going to go to the text or HTML section, and we're just going to simply paste in the URL address from the browser or from the shared link. And there it appears. Very, very simple. And again, it's right there. And you could change the size of that player, as I mentioned before. We'll go ahead and update that post. SoundCloud is a very simple and effective way to add audio to your WordPress site.